My Crypto Radio News.
The Drug Enforcement Unit, the world-famous agency of the USA, which is the subject of the TV series, was defrauded and lost $50,000 USDT. Although the tech company was contacted and requested to freeze the addresses, it turned out that the fraudster transferred cryptocurrencies to other places. Although the AE officials later reached out to Tether and demanded the address be frozen, this effort was also futile because the fraudsters has already transferred the USDTs from there. As the institution continues its investigations, it seems that the scammer is converting USDTs to Bitcoin and Ether. It was stated that the account to which the USDTs sent to Binance were transfers is registered to 2 Gmail addresses. The DAE also enlists the help of the Google. ARK Invest has also been added to companies applying for Ether Futures ETFs. The firm, led by Katie Wood, has applied for both Bitcoin and Ether Futures ETFs in partnership with Swiss-based ETF firm 21 Shares. One of the funds will only invest in the Ethereum futures price, while the other will follow both the Ether and Bitcoin futures price. Neither ETF will naturally invest in spot products. The funds will invest in cash-based futures contracts on exchange registered with the CBTC. At least 25% of the ARK-Z fund will invest in Ether futures products, with the remainder investing in US bonds, money market instruments, and repurchase agreements. It has been claimed that the Binance stock market, which has been struggling with the recent lawsuit with the SEC and the CBTC and the allegations that Bitcoin was sold especially to prevent the BNB price from falling below a certain level, is now calling and reaching the token projects list on the platform. Exchange officials also asked these projects if they would like to earn interest by giving a certain amount of tokens to Binance interest program. It was written that the authorities demanded an amount between 1 and 5% of the circulating token rates for such a situation. The blog also stated that he saw the correspondence on the subject. Another Binance official speaking to the blog on the subject said that the company's soft or small-scale projects with little liquidity, and the reason is to prevent market manipulation. Seen as the world's largest investment bank, JP Morgan stated that the declines in crypto are now most likely in their final stage. According to the bank's research on Bitcoin futures positions on the Chicago Derivatives Exchange (CME), long positions are now in the final phase of liquidation. As a result, we see a limited decline in crypto markets in the near term, the bank's report said. The report also touched on the importance of the Bitcoin reward halving and stated that some investors are trying to take a position before the halving. Prepared by My Crypto Radio News Center, we have transferred the news. Happy day, everyone.